What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another vlog. So I got my sugar daddy right here. He driving. We about to head down to Myrtle Beach because it's my brother's birthday. Well, it's not his actual birthday. It's his birthday weekend. So we all about to go down there and turn up. You already know. So.
Daddy, I got good sugar.
Bush. Anyways, so right now we headed to the beach. We gotta go check in the hotel, and I don't know what we're gonna do when we get there, but we're gonna see. So y'all just stay tuned. But right now we about to go check in the hotel, and I probably go get in the pool because your girl wanna get wet. She ain't been wet all spring. I know spring just started, but still, I wanna get wet. I wanna get in the pool, put on my swimsuit, and just look good. I just wanna get wet. But anyways, y'all, that's what's on the agenda for today. So y'all stay tuned and keep watching because I don't really know what all we doing. So y'all just stay tuned. So we're gonna see y'all when we get to the hotel. Okay. Alright, y'all, so while we in the car riding, I need y'all a peek. So I got these two sunglasses and I don't know which ones I should wear because they both look good. So this is a they both look good. So, do you like these at all? Do you like these better? What do you mean? Yeah, they both. I think I'm gonna go with these. Alright, y'all, so we made it to the hotel and I am tired, y'all. I'm tired. Taiwan in there taking a shower. But your girl is tired. I done changed clothes. I think I'm about to lay down for a little while. I'm tired. I am drinking. So y'all, we at this place called The Chemist. And it's like I guess it's like a science themed restaurant. So we about to go in here. Right now we at the beach, about to get into some water, and it's about 11 something right now, and we having a surprise party for my brother at 4. So right now we just doing our own thing, trying to waste time, trying to pass time. So we're gonna get in the water. So, yes, you is. Yes, I am. We need to find a spot. Alright, y'all, so we at this restaurant called Mo Moons, and they stuff look good. This is the menu right here. I think I'm gonna get, I don't know, it might be too early for a drink, I don't know. But I know they got these big old fishbowl drinks, and that's exactly what I want, so, you know. I'm Hawaii, fruit salad. I don't know what I want. You know what you want? So y'all look at my drink. Ain't she cute? Ain't she cute? What's the name of this drink? It's called a Beach Blast Bowl. So if y'all ever come here, what's the name of this place? So if y'all ever come to Mo Moons in Myrtle Beach, y'all gotta try this. That's the name of it, right? It's called Mo Moons. So if y'all ever in Myrtle Beach, y'all come get y'all a drink, okay? Look at him over there. The food is here. Look at my chili cheese fries, y'all. They look so good, y'all.
My knee was hurting too. I guess I slept different.
They're good. How are your wings?
Alright, this is small.
It's really good, y'all. So we about to eat our food. We're gonna have to talk to y'all later, okay? Freak shake. Freak shake, freak shake. And he got his ice cream already. Is it good? Look at that. Dang, boy. Look at that. Alright, y'all. So we made it to the hotel where the party is going to be. Y'all look at that view. Ooh. Y'all see that? What time is it? I think they said the party was at 6:30. So I got to go help them get some stuff done. So I gotta find a room. What room was it? Okay. Look at that view. What? Y'all look at this. Look at that room. They got a nice ass room. Boy. Look at this. They got a balcony. What is this? Okay. I ain't really want to do too much, but y'all get what I'm saying. Okay. Yeah, I can't really do too much, but y'all see what they got shots, y'all. Oh, look at this. Oh, look at this. Y'all see that? Ooh, they fancy. They fancy with it. Okay. Fancy. Look at that. Bottles, okay. Bottles. I don't know where they at. I just got here. Ain't nobody here. So I'm just waiting on. Oh, what's this? Oh, you about to be lit. Oh, they got fruit. They even got fruit, y'all. Gotta be lit. Look at him. What's your problem? You okay? You okay? You okay, baby? Y'all look at this view though. Period. This is nice though. I ain't gonna get too close because I'm scared of heights. I get nervous when I get up here. Whew. I think I'm gonna go get the cake or whatever. Cause I don't see nobody here. Somebody is here. Somebody is here. I hear some water running. So yeah, I guess we're gonna chill until everybody get here. Cause we still gotta get stuff together. I'm tired. I'm out of breath, y'all. But y'all stay tuned because it's about to be lit. Good morning, y'all. It is the next day and we came to eat some breakfast. We just ordered our food. We at this place called the Pancake House. I think that's what it's called. You know what it was called? It's the Pancake House. So we just ordered our food. I'm tired, y'all. I was taking shots after shots after shots yesterday. I'm tired. Say here to the vlog. Tired too? We tired, y'all. We had a long night. I'm so tired. But when we leave here, we probably gonna go play golf. We don't know yet, so more than likely we're gonna go play putt-putt golf. So that's what's on the agenda for today. And after that, I just want to go to sleep. I'm tired. Or I might get in the pool. We'll see. But we'll see y'all when we get our food, so we can show y'all the food we got. The food is here looking scrumptious. Look at that. I got some grits, eggs, sausage, and I got me a strawberry waffle. He want to be fancy. He got a steak and eggs with some grits.
I like that.
I'm about to smash. Now you happy we came here instead of McDonald's? You didn't even want to come here. Trust me. The food look good. So y'all, he say the steak is good. So I'm about to try it, and we're gonna see.
No sauce.
Or you,
With no sauce.
or is it all cap?
It's weight. It's weight, but
Let me see. Give it to me. That's too big. That's too big.
It's way better than all this.
That's too big. Just give me that piece. Give me that piece
No,
over
you
there.
gotta taste it.
Oh yeah, it's good. It's good, y'all.
It's better, way better than white girl rubbers on the floor. Yeah.
He ain't lying.
I wanted to make you rethink.
Alright, he ain't lying.
You know how I'm doing over here.
But y'all, this is my plate. I done ate most of that, and I saved the best for last. Alright, y'all, so we made it to the golf course, which is over here. I think we gotta go up these steps. So, let's go. Oh, they got parrots. Polly want a cracker? Polly want a cracker? Oh, this is my first time seeing real live parrots in person. Hi. Oh, look at this one. Polly want a cracker? Oh, look at it. Do they speak? So y'all, unfortunately, I do not have the rest of this video. So I accidentally deleted the rest of the footage, and y'all, I was so mad I couldn't figure out how to get it back. But I hope y'all enjoyed the rest of the video. So we played mini golf. We went back to the hotel. We got in the pool for a little while. We ordered some wings, and we sat in the room at 8. And the next morning we checked out, and that was pretty much it. So I hope y'all enjoyed the rest of the video. But thank y'all for watching, and I will see y'all in the next one. Peace.